I'm really embarrassed.
A humble Phoenician whose work for the disabled community has been nothing short of extraordinary.
My name is Phil Pangrazio. I'm the president and CEO of Ability 360. For me, it's just about living life every day as a typical person. You know, I've been serving in various capacities really for the past 15 years on some of the city public transit initiatives.
From helping create what T2050 is today to currently serving on the commission that oversees its spending, Phil has spent decades serving the community focused on getting people to where they need to go.
Whether it's the accessibility of our bus system, our paratransit dial-a-ride, or the light rail system, all of those components of our public transit system is just incredibly important for people with disabilities.
You see, Phil understands why you must have access to services. Running Ability 360, one of the largest centers for independent living in the United States.
Ability 360 and the City of Phoenix have had a long relationship. It's really been a great partnership. The city recognizes the value that we bring to our community, and many of our programs are intertwined with the city.
And while Phil is happy to talk about all the great work being done to help those with disabilities,
that work is, it's been a labor of love to do it because I know how many people from my community are going to benefit from it.
He remains modest about his feelings for receiving the Detective Walter Olson Lifetime Achievement Award.
He is such a beloved person in the city. And so many great people have received this award. I'm just proud to, get my name put there with all the other people who've been recipients of this award because it's a real honor.
Phil says there's another reward he gets by working so hard on behalf of the disabled community.
When I see people that have turned the corner and have figured it out, and the light bulb goes on, and they say, "Hey, I can do this too." That's what I get satisfaction from. If the work I do inspires somebody else, that's great. It's not why I do it, but that's fine by me.